Don't run away from me. You don't want to vlog with a pink camera. You make noise.
I know.
Anyways, I was working all day. I was working from home, which is weirdly enough more productive than as if I'm at work working. I know, weird. Anyways, I'm doing my exercising now and I am growing some sort of horn in my eye. So Jurre is getting me some stuff from the pharmacy because he's a good husband and doesn't want to work out with me.
Also because it's hilarious that the whole house shakes. But that has nothing to do with you being heavy. It has to do with the house being very American.
So there were a couple of insults in that sentence, but it's okay. Don't worry. It's okay.
Blah, blah. I don't like all this rain. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I go in, I go out. I just need a couple of things. I see you in a sec. I have a feeling that these were not the best decision to wear. I'm sogging on the inside. I just stepped in a full puddle, of course, next to the car. Tip, if you ever want to vlog, don't forget the camera and grab the phone instead. I don't need my phone at all. I don't even have an American contract. I'm looking for Wi-Fi. That's how I survive.